You step on the gas pedal expecting that smooth, familiar acceleration, but instead, your engine hesitates, feels like it is stumbling over its own feet, and you are burning through fuel faster than a heavy-duty truck. Then, that dreaded check engine light pops on, and your scanner throws a P02D8 code right at you. This specific code stands for Cylinder 7 Fuel Injector Offset Learning at Min Limit, and while it sounds like absolute gibberish, it is actually your engine computer waving a massive white flag. Think of your engine control module, or ECM, as the brain of your car. Just like you learn to walk a little differently if you sprain your ankle, your ECM constantly learns and adapts to wear and tear inside your engine by adjusting the fuel mixture. As parts age, weather shifts, or minor leaks develop, the computer tweaks the fuel injector output to keep everything running perfectly smooth. But every system has its absolute limits. When you pull a P02D8, it means the computer has tried everything in its power to adjust the fuel going into cylinder number 7, but it has hit the absolute minimum limit of its adaptability. It simply cannot compensate for the underlying problem anymore. Now, do not immediately rush out and buy a brand new fuel injector, because the injector itself might be completely fine. Often, this code is triggered by a totally different issue forcing the computer into a corner. I am talking about things like a massive vacuum leak sucking unmetered air into the intake manifold, an air filter that is completely choked with dirt and debris, or even worn-out piston rings on that specific cylinder. The absolute best place to start your diagnosis is by opening the hood while the engine is running and just listening very closely for the high-pitched whistling sound of a vacuum leak. Check that air filter immediately, because a collapsed filter will completely choke the engine and send the vacuum readings through the roof. If the air system is solid, closely inspect the wiring harness going to the number 7 injector for any serious corrosion or water damage, as these connectors live in a really harsh environment. Take your time, look for the simple air leaks first, and you will save yourself a massive headache trying to fix an injector that was never actually broken.